390 Wagon Master here. So I just put in my starter kit mobile in the old Project CQ. Got the Wilson 5000 / Striker 5K up there, and I'm gonna come in here. I've got my pretty much brand new old stock Superstar 3900 Euro. This is in some of my videos, but I've never had this in the mobile. It's always been in the house, and when it's not in use, it does live in the box. I have my Carl built / early old school Magnaforce 200. It's 22290s. So just kind of a starter kit mobile, but it's always done me well. I'm the original owner. I've had this thing forever, and it's just always really been a screaming little amplifier, never given me a problem, never a fit at all. Let me see if I can get down here and reach for my microphonium. Stand by. Okay, so I'm just wrapping up the install now, and I just wanted to show you guys what this thing does. So the radio is not a high drive radio. It's a 5-watt radio. Actually, I'm doing 4 watts dead key. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Let's see, it's in 200 watt mode. So here's my dead key, which is just at 30 watts. I've got the drive control here set where I usually do, just about 4 o'clock position. I can get about 40 watts out of it, but I don't need to. I mean, that 5 watts is no big deal. And, you know, that's why I've had this amp for all these years. God, what, a dozen years now? Oh, no. More than that. I think I bought the amp in 03 or 05. Anyway, so let's see. Dead key is... Let's turn the amp back on. Let's see, we got this. Okay. I have something going on with the connector or something. Maybe I didn't tighten these. Oh, am I going to put my first scratch on my Superstar? No, I hope not. Okay, there we go. 35 watts, or 30 watts, I'm sorry. RMS, no PEP feel good. So about 35, little forward swing. If I whistle, it'll do like 38. Okay, I'll go over to, oh, dude, check the SWRs. Turn that back for reflect wattses. Not even moving the meter. That tuned out well. The stinger on the Striker was 62.5 inches, and I cut off almost an inch, I believe it was, to get it to a pretty flat SWR. Okay, so there's our 35 watts. We'll go to sideband. We're on the 100 watt scale, so 100 will be 100 down here, right? Hello, radio, 1 2 1 2, audio, just talking normal there, so you know we're doing about 60 to 90. Let's put it in amplifier builder feel good wattses. And oh, let me go to the 200 times 2. This is a 100 watt slug, so I'm on times 2. So now 80 will be 160, 100 will be 200. Hello, radio, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, radio. And that's not really bad. Now let's go back again, and an SSB will check for reflected power. I don't need the feel good meter on. Hello, 1 2 1 2. It just barely twitches. Man, I love this amplifier. If this thing ever dies, I'm going to buy me a Carl built. I am going to definitely buy me one. I mean, I have a Tech 9 DD400 that I may put in here instead, but I just didn't have any aught gauge wire. I wanted to run some big wire, and as all I had was 8 gauge old school Stinger type wire. And yeah, I'm not going to run 4 2879s off 8 gauge, so I just put the baby one in here for the road trip. Anyway, you guys, there you go. There's my Wagon Master Starter Kit Mobile Project CQ. Stay tuned, many more to come. Sorry about the fidgety camera work here. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but please don't forget to subscribe. And if you already have, I appreciate all you guys and your support. 3 9 and a 0 Wagon Master Mobile. And I'm back quiet.